Many Permian Basin oil and gas companies are in need of capital to fund their activities.
That's right. However, funding has been challenging for companies in the industry as investors increasingly turn down smaller deals to focus primarily on large ones.
A lot of small companies that are mom and pops, they don't have access to capital, and we would help provide that for them, that they could be a bridge to drill wells or do other development.
Production Lending LLC has stepped in to meet the needs of many oil and gas companies vying for funds to start up or continue their operations.
The biggest thing today is really development capital, and that's guys that are drilling, new wells, mostly horizontal wells, but some vertical wells. It's all companies that are going and they're, increasing their natural gas and oil production.
The company got its start after they saw a gap in a highly sought-after market.
They're in that intermediate stage where they're kind of too big to continue raising equity, but too small to get bank money.
New regulations that came into play brought about new challenges for banks to provide oil and gas financing to smaller companies.
The OCC regulations in 2016 still having a very big impact today. Some regional banks are able to get around that, but most of the larger banks are still bound by those restrictions, which limit how much leverage they can do, how much debt they can provide.
A lot of the people who used to do oil and gas financing before are just not in the business anymore.
Since it was founded, the company has closed more than 40 deals, but how they decide which ones to accept or pass on is a process in itself.
Decent PDP, but not enough to be financeable by the bank, but looking to can accelerate their drilling program and take advantage of these high commodity prices and just get to the next stage of their growth.
The oil and gas industry can be volatile. Production Lending LLC says their key to keeping long-term partnerships is their understanding of the business.
We're in the field quite a bit. We understand it. We get when there's problems. When we partner with people, we partner knowing stuff is going to go wrong. What do we do now? Rather, this didn't work out, it's over, I'm sorry. So I think that attitude has really, set us apart, given us a lot of repeat business.
Now, Production Lending LLC just recently closed its largest investment yet.
Yeah, and it was a $35 million loan to a private Midland-based company that will allow it to drill and complete 6 horizontal wells in the Northern Basin.